Hello everyone! So today we will be making a simple recipe of spaghetti. First off, we are going to be cutting this ground beef in half. The first half, we will be making it into meatballs. The second half, we will be just flattening it so then that when we fry it, it's easier to break up. Now we are just adding oil to the pan. You can use any type of oil. The one we're using is just any vegetable oil. We're spreading the oil around the pan so then that when we put the ground beef in it, it won't stick to the pan. Once the oil is heated up like this, you can add the flattened ground beef and start breaking it up. We're doing this because it's easier to break it than putting the meatballs in first. After the flattened ground beef is a little bit broken up, you're going to add the meatballs, but then you're still going to continue breaking it. Now we're going to be adding some seasonings. We're going to be adding salt, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder. We're going to be adding black pepper, and more into the video, we're going to be adding some sugar for the taste also. After adding the seasonings, we are going to be add a small can of tomato paste. We're mixing the tomato paste into the meat so then that the meat has a tomato flavor. Now we're adding our vegetables. For our vegetables, we are using frozen ones. The frozen ones has green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and onions. You can use fresh ones if you want to too. After the vegetables are cooked and they're soft, we will be adding the tomato sauce. The tomato sauce we're using today is from Walmart and it's the Walmart brand Great Value. This flavor is tomato, basil, garlic. Like I said before, this is where we add the sugar to the taste because tomato sauce can sometimes be sour and sugar balances the sourness out. Now we're chopping up some cilantros for garnish. We are also slicing up some mozzarella cheese for the garnish also. After the sauce and the garnish is done, we are going to be cooking the pasta. The pasta we are using today is also from Walmart. It is the Great Value brand and we are using the angel hair. After 10 minutes or so, the noodles should be cooked. We're draining the noodles into a strainer. We're not rinsing it under cold water or anything. No oil because we are going to put it straight into the tomato sauce. After you're done mixing the spaghetti into the tomato sauce, it is ready to be plated. So now we are garnishing with the cheese and we are going to be torching it. This part is totally optional. You don't have to torch it, but if you do, you can torch it to however you like it. After garnishing with the cheese, we are also adding the cilantros for garnish and it's ready to eat.